In this video, I'm going to show you how can you create a form and then make sure that you collect the details on that form from a video or a playing video altogether, right? This is going to be the amazing lead generation video tutorial where I'm going to show you that how can you, let's say, have a VSL form, a VSL video, a training video, tutorial, right? That you have recorded and have put in your landing page and your funnel on your website. And you probably let people watch the video, or let's say 5% of the video for absolutely free. And then you do some things inside 𝐭_HighLevel, you make some automation changes or technical changes inside 𝐭_HighLevel that will actually restrict people to watch the complete video unless and until they provide the details, which is the opt-in details which you want them to provide, which is going to be interesting because I've seen a lot of use cases and a lot of my clients actually requiring that to be used inside their account. And 𝐭_HighLevel has actually finally introduced this inside in system, so it's now native, right? In case you are wondering who is Pritam to talk about funnels, website, landing pages, forms, and all of that. By the way, my name is Pritam. I run a 𝐭_HighLevel funnel and web design agency. In case you want to know more, you can just go to you can go to pritam.com and you will have more clarity about our work. We have been building funnels and website, so we have seen these requirements a lot, right? Where people or our clients want to, well, let's say they have a tutorial of 1 hour, right? And they want to give the tutorial for absolutely free, but only for the first 5 minutes. And then they want a solution where whenever it hits that 5 minutes mark, right, it's going to take that form up and people have to put in their form details or the opt-in details on the which is required on the form so that people can proceed forward and watch the complete video. This is an amazing way to give people a glimpse of your content, but then encourage them or motivate them, hey, to fill in the details so that they can complete the entire system. Not just that, I'm also going to help you understand that exactly how you can make sure that all the emails that you're getting are not spam, rather they are genuine verified email IDs. So I'm going to verify those emails in front of you. I'm going to show you how to verify them so that you can add it inside your system. So this is going to be pretty interesting. Make sure you watch it till the end because I'm going to show you everything step by step. Okay, the first thing that we need to do here is very simple. We have to create a form for people to opt in, right? So for that, we have to go to sites. At the moment you go to sites, you will be able to see forms on top. We'll go to the form builder. And here I'm going to add a form. Let's say I'm going to choose a template. I'm going to choose a simple template, nothing shiny, nothing fancy at the moment. Let's say I use this one. Okay, let me use this kind of template, which is going to be simple and easy to understand. But if you want to learn how to build templates literally from scratch, then probably it's a good idea for you to watch my tutorial, which I've actually built a few months ago. Here, this one, right? Complete GHL form building tutorial, learn how to build forms and 𝐭_HighLevel. Has almost 1,000 views. Thank you so much for the love and support. But this is a really detailed tutorial, 25 minutes. So make sure you watch that video in case you want to learn the nitty-gritties or everything regarding 𝐭_HighLevel forms, right? Okay, cool. So here's the details here, right? Some because I think this looks good. I'm going to use this form, but I want to make sure that the email that I get, okay, probably I don't want the phone number here already, so that's perfectly fine. So probably let's say the email I get, right? In this email, I want to make sure that I validate every single email that I am getting in. Because what happens is when somebody's watching, let's say 10% of the video, they probably want to put a spam email ID, right? And I will not be able to send emails to those spam email IDs. So that is not going to work for me. And this is not a great way of really generating quality leads. So what I'm going to do is 𝐭_HighLevel has introduced the OTP system of email validation. So as you can see here on the right hand side, the moment I selected the email element here, as you can see here, it mentions validate email. So the button will become visible once the user enters their email. This feature is designed to help you generate quality leads, and I really, really recommend this one, right? So you click on that. As you can see here, now it has a verify email button. The moment somebody fills up the email ID, this button is going to pop up, and it's not going to let people to submit the form, okay, unless until the email is verified. So I'm going to give you a complete preview here that you can better understand this. It's going to be pretty interesting for you to see as well. So as you can see here, it looks very simple on the first side, right? But the moment you add, let's say, your email ID, it's going to ask you to verify that particular email ID. I want to show you that in action, but let's proceed forward to build the funnel. Let me show you how to add this funnel inside your videos so that you can also do it for yourself. right? Now let me go back to the dashboard. Probably I'm just going back to the funnel section here. I'm going to create a new funnel altogether. I'm going to name it VSL lead gen funnel, right? That's it. I'm going to click on create. It's going to create the funnel for me. I'll probably just create the funnel system. So I'm going to create the first landing page. Your landing page is going to be, let's say, this is a lead gen video, right? Sorry, video, right? The path, let's say it's a masterclass or some sort. So I'm just going to add a masterclass. So a lot of people ask me what exactly is the masterclass. Is the path. So let's say you are on pritamher.com. This is a domain, right? Probably you want to have something like pritamher.com/about, right? Which probably means that this page is all about me, right? It's going to say details about me. So that's actually a public facing path, right? So this is what your visitors are going to see. So in case you're giving them a free masterclass or video tutorial or training, right? So in that case, the path should be related to that. So I'm going to create a funnel on that, right? So once you create the funnel step, it is going to show you that interface as well. So as you can see here, so you can use an existing landing page which is already there in the system, or you can create from blank. So we always create from blank guys. And in case you want to learn more about how to create quality funnels and website, you have a lot of tutorial on my channel, fully dedicated to creating funnels, website, landing pages, everything, literally step by step. And this is probably the gold mine for you guys, and if you want to learn funnels designing inside Go High Level, right? So and it's going to take some time for you to create the landing page. It's going to operate the system. So I'm going to keep it there some time. But yeah, you can also go to my video playlist, because the playlist is going to showcase you some of our absolutely free courses. So we have a GHL restaurant website free course, and we also have a GHL website free course. Thank you for all the love and support that these courses have achieved. So make sure that you are also watching these kind of videos, because this is going to be very, very beneficial for you if you want to build funnels. So let's say I want to add a headline here. So I want to write, let's say, you know, masterclass, masterclass on video lead gen, right? So as simple as that. I'm going to create another column and I'm going to add a video on that. So this is the video element, right? I believe the pop-up feature only works in the hosted one. So yes, that's when you actually want to make sure that you upload. Sorry, I don't need a thumbnail as of now. So I'm just going to go home, go back. I just need the video here as of now for demonstration purposes. So I'm going to add that now. So video has been added here. Apart from that, as you can see here, from the top right hand side, so the bottom right hand side, you would be able to see an option called as generate leads from video. You're going to turn that on. And let's say I want to generate the video after 15 seconds. I'm going to add that second. So you can see hour, minute, and video, right? It also says enter timeline should not exceed the video length. Of course, that doesn't make sense, right? So you should have the timeline. The video timeline should be greater than the time where you want the form to pop up, right? Select a form. I'm probably going to add okay, I forgot which form was that. Let me go to the form builder and check one. Right. So let me just quickly check that. Oh, cool. I got the name. It's called as marketing agency. So we would probably just want to select the marketing agency form. That's it. Right. So we have is just to close the form and continue. No, we don't want that. We want to generate leads. So that's pretty much it. We're now going to preview that particular setup. So let me just showcase you how this is going to look like. Okay, oops. Let me just showcase you again. So just click on the preview link and that should pop up the thing here. As you can see here, 15 seconds, you have that lock here, which basically shows that this is where the video is going to stop and the pop-up form is going to come up. So as you can see here, it's coming close, 3, 2, and 1. Boom. Now here you have that complete landing page, and it's not going to let me proceed forward, right? It's not going to let me proceed forward. This is not going to work unless and until I use it. I permanently fill the form. So I'm going to refresh this for some time. right? So again, as you can see here, the video starts here, but at this moment, which is 15 seconds, it's going to ask me, hey, you need to fill up this form in order to proceed forward, right? As simple as that. So 3, 2, and 1, right? So to keep watching, fill out the form here, as you can see here. So let's say I'm interested in website designing, which is what I normally do. A full name and email. So let's say I enter my email ID. Now it's asking me to verify the email. So this is how you can verify it and make sure that you are getting absolutely the, making sure that this is a real email and not a spam ones, right? Because I could literally write anything here, X, Y, and Z, and that will also be recognized as an email in a normal email field, right? But I want to make sure that I write the genuine ones. So okay, so let's click on verify email. Okay, as you can see here, your verification code has been sent to your email. Kindly review your email box and insert the code below. So this is not letting me proceed forward, right? If I click on submit request, it is going to ask me that email is not verified. So it's going to completely ask me to add the details in order to make sure that, hey, I have received the code. So quickly going to my email ID to making sure that I have received it. And once I receive it, I should be able to send it inside. So cool. I got you my OTP. I'm going to write that here, 902714. Okay, that's done. Let me confirm that. Okay, your email is has been successfully verified. Now click on submit request. Awesome. Now it's, as you can see here, it's now allowing me to watch the complete video. Now, no more how many times I refresh this is going to keep allowing me to watch the video because it's now tracking my ID most probably, and then it is going to let me watch the complete video from now on. This is how, ladies and gentlemen, you can track email, verify email, and making sure that you're generating high quality leads right from your video, right? This is very, very useful in case you have a training, tutorial, and anything that can generate quality leads, right? For that, you need to have quality content, of course. So if I just refresh and showcase to you, then probably it's not going to ask me, to put my details again, because it has understood that, hey, this account or this ID has been given. They are already have the access, so it's all good. I hope that this was helpful for you guys. In case you have any other queries, you can drop down in the comment section. I will be happy to help you learn more about HighLevel. In case you're very new to HighLevel, make sure that you watch our tutorials where I showcase everything inside HighLevel. And in case you are yet to start, make sure you use affiliate link, because that's going to give you some crazy bonuses and assistance directly from me. So it's going to be a win-win situation for both of us. So make sure that you watch that and do that. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.